This hair treatment is packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and essential nutrients that deeply nourish the hair, making it softer, shinier, and healthier over time. So, if you want to know how I made this beautiful, wonderful, miraculous hair mask, just sit back and relax, and then I'll be right back. Oh, it's Rita, baby. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. So today I'll be sharing my DIY hair mask that deeply nourishes and strengthens the hair using natural ingredients. So for this mask I used hibiscus flower, flaxseed, avocado, castor oil, and I used shea butter actually, just 2 tablespoons, but I don't know what happened. I didn't remember to include it here, but I actually used it. So I started out by measuring a quarter cup of flaxseed and a handful of hibiscus flower. So after adding this, I added 3 cups of water and placed it on the stove to boil. Remember to stir occasionally and avoid covering the pot for too long, as the mixture can boil over. So after 10 minutes, I took this off the heat and let it cool. So guys, this is what the mixture is looking like. So it's already thicker than before. So once this is cooled down, I poured it into the blender to blend this up. So while I added this in the blender, I also added about 2 tablespoons of castor oil. So guys, if it feels too thick, feel free to add a little water to adjust the consistency. The amount you prepare should be based on the length and density of your hair, okay? So make sure you add little water at a time to make sure you get the right consistency. Once I'm done blending, I have to sieve this mixture and set the liquid aside, okay? If you have watched this video up to this moment, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. Also tell me what you think about this DIY hair mask in the comment section. Thank you. To my returning subscribers, thank you for your support. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you coming back to watch my video. And to my newbies, thank you for watching, and click on the notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. So this is what we have after sieving this out. This is what it's looking like for now. So meanwhile, I went ahead to cut out half avocado. I'm using a half avocado at this point, so I cut it off, peel off the back, and added it into the blender. So that hibiscus and flaxseed mixture I made earlier, that I don't know what happened, unfortunately my camera didn't capture that step. I added about 2 tablespoons of shea butter. That is why the liquid is looking milky like this, okay? So now I'm blending all this together to have a smooth creamy consistency. You can tell that after blending this is how it's looking, and I didn't sieve this one because there is no particles in this one. It is creamy, it is smooth, so you don't need to sieve it out after blending it the second time, okay? So once I'm done with this, I'm going to show you how I applied it in my hair. And while I'm applying it in my hair, I'm going to tell you the benefit of the items I used in this video so that you will know what package it has, the benefits, the nutritional packages it came with, okay? So why I use this on my hair, let me go ahead and tell you the benefit of this mixture. So hibiscus flower is a powerhouse for hair care. It is rich in vitamin C, which boosts collagen production, helping to strengthen hair strands and reduces breakage. It also contains amino acid that nourishes the scalp, improves hair elasticity, and promotes growth. Hibiscus is also known for reducing dandruff, preventing premature graying, and adding a natural shine to the hair. Flax seeds are packed with omega-3 acid, vitamin E, and protein, which are essential for reducing hair loss, promoting thickness, and improving scalp health. So, flaxseed gel provides deep hydration, keeping hair soft and manageable while preventing frizz and dryness. It also forms a natural barrier to protect your hair from environmental damage. So avocado is loaded with healthy fat, biotin, and vitamin B complex, making it a perfect ingredient for hair nourishment. It deeply conditions repair damage and strengthening hair follicles, preventing split ends and promoting shinier, more elastic strands. It also penetrates the hair shaft, restoring moisture and preventing excessive dryness. Castor oil is well known for its hair growth benefits. It contains resinolic acid, which stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, promoting faster, thicker hair growth. It's also amazing natural sealant, locking in moisture to prevent dryness, split ends, and breakage. So shea butter, on the other part, which you didn't see, is packed with vitamin A and E, making it excellent moisturizer for dry and brittle hair. It reduces scalp irritation, adds softness and shine. So guys, make sure you apply this mask generously, making sure to coat every strand from root to tip, okay, just as you see me doing. In order for this to penetrate well, make sure when each section you divides, make sure you apply it on each strands, like cutting it out like you are applying when you apply relaxer on your hair. Just make sure you do like that, so you in with that way you'll be able to know that this mask is really penetrating well in your scalp, okay. So guys, after applying this mask, you're going to let it sit for between 20 to 30 minutes if you don't have a steamer cap. If you have a steamer cap, you can allow this mask to sit in for between 5 to 8 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes, anyone you want to do, depending on how long you want to keep it. And also follow up with your favorite shampoo or conditioner. And that's it guys, this DIY hair mask leaves my hair feeling soft, moisturized, and deeply conditioned. So give it a try and let me know how it works for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hair care tips. See you in my next one. Bye.